Today we are going to talk about swallows. But before I continue, I would like to tell you a short story about my encounter with an Indian doctor. I saw this doctor when I was having symptoms of type 2 diabetes. After hearing my story, he asked me where I came from, and I told him I came from Nigeria. And he said, "Wow, Nigerians, you don't eat well, you don't have good food." When I was almost getting angry, he told me about his friend, a Nigerian friend he had, and he said every time he visits his friend, he always has a pot of soup, and that's all. And every day he brings out the pot of soup. Whenever he wants to eat, he will cook right. Pot of soup, he will make eba. This same pot of soup, he will make amala. This same pot of soup, and everything that he eats is that same pot of soup. And he said, that is why he said we do not eat well. Why do we rely only on one pot of soup? And when that is finished, we cook another pot of soup. And I said, you are very right. But that is not to say that we do not have good food. Of course we have good food. Plenty of good food, but it's because we do not want to take too long to prepare our food. We prefer to have the soup, and anytime we want to eat, we just cook the rice or quickly boil water, make semo, make amala, make eba, and then the food is ready. But because we cannot stop eating swallows, most times, at least once in a day, we must take swallow. That is why many Nigerians are suffering from diabetes, and many do not even know that they have this deadly disease called diabetes. This channel is for those who are willing to reverse their diabetes through lifestyle changing. This means you have to forgo some of those swallows that you really like, and then eat better diet. Eat well to reverse your diabetes. Initially, you may not like the swallow alternatives which I will be introducing to you, but as you go along and change your lifestyle, you will get used to it, and your body will say thank you. So today I introduced the first part of swallows for diabetes, and I have tried to search the net for the benefits of these ingredients, and is even in season now, so you can start eating right away. And the first ingredient is avocado. Health benefits of avocados. Avocados are highly nutritious. They are great source of folate, potassium, and healthy fats, as well as vitamin K, C, and E. They also contain small amounts of B vitamins and minerals. So when you take avocado, you are not just taking anything. Avocados are good for your heart. They fight inflammation and may have anti-cancer properties. So it is really very, very good for you. Eating avocado can also help you better absorb other fat-soluble and nutrients. Avocado are full of fiber and important nutrients lacking in most Nigerian meals. Avocados also contain antioxidants that are good for your eyes and brain, such as lutein. These antioxidants may lower your risk of age-related macular degeneration, cataracts, and neurodegenerative diseases. You can Google these facts and find out yourself. Research also suggests that people who are regularly eating avocados are healthier and have a lower risk of metabolic syndrome. This may be because many people who enjoy avocados also appear to eat many other nutrients-dense foods. Okay, so this is one large avocado which I cut into two. After that, I scoop the two sides into my eating bowl, as you can see. Then I added jute mallow, ewedu. Jute leaves ewedu are loaded with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A and vitamin C, that may help reduce inflammation, promote bone health, and ramp up the immune system. Your immune system defends your body against disease and requires several nutrients to function optimally. Eating ewedu jute leaves can support your immune system's ability to fight infection by providing some of those nutrients. So we have ewedu on top of avocado with loads and loads of healthy vitamins and nutrients. Then here comes our pot of soup. So our usual pot of soup, which is already made, is already in the house, ready made. So put soup on top of it, and here you have your healthy swallow. In addition, meat and poultry are great source of protein. They also provide lots of other nutrients your body needs, like iodine, iron, zinc, vitamins, especially B12, and essential fatty acid. So it is a good idea to add meat and poultry to your food. When you do this, you have a full, balanced diet. Enjoy your healthy swallow. Now that you have started eating better, please don't look back. Continue. Look out for the second part when I'll be sharing another swallow. God bless you.